Hi, welcome to Srimata Education. Dear students, we are continuing the SSLC most expected questions for the exam. So, in the previous video, we discussed about the social science MCQs of the part 1 social science textbook. In this video, I will discuss the part 2, the social science textbook, most expected questions for the examination. Question number 1. Indian National Congress founded in the year 1885, 1905, 1906, 1857. See, the correct answer, Indian National Congress founded in the 1885. In the year 1905, the Bengal division was took place. In the year 1906, Indian Muslim League founded. In 1857, we all know that in the first war of Indian independence. So, right answer 1885. 1885 is the right answer. Second question. First president for the Indian National Congress meeting. The first president for the Indian National Congress meeting. Right answer W.C. Banerjee. Umesh Chandra Banerjee was the first president for the Congress meeting. And A.O. Hume, founder of the Indian National Congress. A.O. Hume, founder of the Indian National Congress. Dadabhai Naoroji, he given a drain theory. He submitted the drain theory. Gopala Krishna Gokhale, guru of the Mahatma Gandhiji, and also is a moderate leader. Next, the primary aim of the Indian National Congress. The primary aim of the Indian National Congress, achieving the national unity. Achieving national unity is the primary aim of INC. Next question. The famous leaders of the radicals. The correct answer is a radical leaders Aurobindo Ghosh, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bipin Chandrapal and Balagangadhar Tilak. Here Dadabhai Naoroji and M.G. Ranade, moderates. Khudiram Bose and Ram Prasad Bismillah, revolutionaries. Next one. Abhinava Bharata and Anushila Samiti. Abhinava Bharata and Anushila Samiti. These two are the secret organizations of the revolutionaries. Mahatma Gandhiji was born in the year 1869. See, Mahatma Gandhiji returned from the Africa 1915. He started the Sabarmati Ashram in 1916. In the year 1917, Champaran movement, that is the first movement of the Mahatma Gandhiji. Next, the main reason for the non-cooperation movement. What is the reason for non-cooperation movement? Right answer, in the year 1919, Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. Jallianwala Bagh tragedy, it leads to the non-cooperation movement. Khilafat movement, it is also one of the movement at the time of the 1919 only. Next, Jallianwala Bagh massacre was happened in the year 1919. 1919, Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place. 1920, non-cooperation movement started. 1922, non-cooperation movement was ended. In the year 1923, Swaraj party was established by Motilal Nehru and Chittaranjan Das. British government appointed Simon Commission in the year. Appointed Simon Commission. You want to clearly see the question. Appointed in 1927. Right answer is 1927 appointed. This commission came to India in 1928. At the time only, Simon Go Back movement was started in India. In that movement only, Lala Lajpat Rai was died in the Simon Go Back movement. In the year 1930, Salt Satyagraha, or we can see the civil disobedience movement took place in 1930. We are all know in 1919, Jallianwala Bagh, and also you can see the Rowlatt Act also introduced. The first round table conference held in the year 1930. Right answer 1930. The first round table meeting. Second round table meeting 1931. Third round table meeting 1932. The 1935 the Indian Government Act was introduced and the Reserve Bank of India also established. The leader emerged at the time of the 1942 Quit India movement. The right answer Jayaprakash Narayan. Jayaprakash Narayan, he emerged as a new leader to the Indian freedom struggle at the time of Quit India movement. Next question. In the year 1939, Vimukti Divas celebrated by Muslim League. Muslim League celebrated the Vimukti Divas. Next. Subhash Chandra Bose given speeches over dash to the Indians. From how Subhash Chandra Bose he given a speeches? Through the Azad Hind Radio. Right answer. Through the Azad Hind Radio he gave the speeches. And also he given a slogans like Chalo Delhi Chalo slogan, and also give me your blood, I will give you freedom. These are all the main slogans of Subhash Chandra Bose also. Next one. Forward Black founded by the Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose, Motilal Nehru, Swarajya Party, and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Swatantra Karmika Paksha. Swatantra Karmika Party also established. Next, Indians celebrating Independence Day in New Delhi. Gandhiji was in Naukali. Gandhiji was in the Naukali. At the time of all Indians celebrating Independence Day, Mahatma Gandhiji was at the Naukali. He was consoling the people who suffered from the communal clashes. Bangladeshi refugees migrated to India because, for what reason? The refugees of Bangladeshis, they entered India. So mainly Bangladesh to this our Indian land because of the Bengali language. Bengali language is similar to the Bangladesh and also eastern parts of our India, mainly West Bengal, present West Bengal. Next, socialist and secular words added through article number 42nd. The right answer, 42nd amendment added the socialist and secular words to the Indian Constitution. 44th amendment, abolition of the right to wealth, and also 73rd amendment, uniform of the Panchayat Raj system. 86th amendment, right to education, compulsory education. 21A added. Next, State Reorganization Commission was established in the year 1953. Right answer, 1953 State Reorganization Commission was established in the members like Fazal Ali, Panikkar and Kunjru. These three members are the members in this Reorganization Commission. The state reorganization took place in 1956. 14 states and 7 union territories. 7 union territories in 1956. In 1973, our Vishala Mysuru state renamed as a Karnataka. In the 1947, the Karnataka, the old Mysuru, what we are calling, it is called as a Vishala Mysuru state, established in 1947. The first state established on the based on language, Andhra Pradesh. Next, UN General Body Meeting adopted Human Rights Declaration in 1948, December 10th. The word United Nations proposed by Franklin D. Roosevelt, the American president, Stalin, Russia, Churchill, England. So these three were the main pillars for the establishment of United Nations. Parliament of United Nations. Which organ is called as a Parliament of the United Nations? So General Assembly is called as a Parliament. Security Council is called as a Cabinet of the United Nations. Cabinet of the United Nations. Here the Importance of the trusteeship council, it was totally reduced. It is not working because all the countries they became independent. Headquarters of the International Court of Justice, right answer Hague, Netherlands. Hague, Netherlands. And WHO, Indian International Labour Organization, headquarters Geneva in Switzerland. Rome, the FAO, Food Agriculture Organization, Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO headquarter Rome. And next one, headquarters of the World Bank. World Bank headquarter Washington. UNO headquarters New York, and also UN Secretariat also located in New York. London is the headquarter for the Commonwealth Organization, and Jakarta is headquarters for Asian Organization. Next question, collection of people temporarily thinking demands related to the emotional. Temporarily the group of people are gathered is called mob. When the mob converted into violence is called as a mob violence. Next question, leader of opposing Kaiga nuclear power plant. Leader of Kaiga nuclear power plant, opposite to the nuclear power plant, Shivaram Karanth was the leader. Medha Patkar, Narmada. Next, reason for Silent Valley movement. Reason for the Silent Valley movement, option A is the right answer. For what reason this Silent Valley movement started? Threaten to the ecological balance. Displacement local tribal people, it is the reason for the Narmada Bachao movement. Spoils numerous species, that is the species. It is for Kaiga, opposite to the Kaiga nuclear plant. And harmful chemicals to the sea, it is a Mangalore petrochemical refineries, against to the Mangalore petrochemical industries against movement. It is the reason for the harmful chemicals. Child Labour Prohibition Act implemented in the year, Child Labour Prohibition Act 1986. The 2016 Adolescent Child Labour Act, 2016 Adolescent Child Labour Act, 2006 Child Marriage, against the Child Marriage Act was introduced. 2012 POXO Act, 2012 POXO Act was introduced in the 2012. Toll free number to give complaint against the child marriage, right answer 1098. 940 is the sex ratio in India. In 1820 is the needs least 1820 calories individual. The individual needs this much of calories to overcome from the hunger. 1994 year, in the year 1994 Prenatal Diagnostic Techniques Act was introduced. Next, an attempt to stop the natural growth of female fetus in the womb of mother is called female feticide. The first railway started in India 1853. It is one of the first railway started in our India, and mainly we can see it is from the Bombay to Thane, the first railway. 1959 it was a Doordarshan television started in our India. In 1936 Akashvani, or we can see the radio started. And also in 1822 the Bombay Samachar, now we are calling as a Mumbai Samachar in Gujarati language. It was started in the 1822. It is the oldest and still existing paper, Bombay or Mumbai Samachar. Teaport of India. Kolkata is called as the Teaport of India. Mumbai is called Gateway of India. Kochi is the jewel of Arabian Sea. New Mangalore port is gateway of Karnataka. Kolkata International Airport is called Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. Mumbai Airport is called as a Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport. The Delhi Indira Gandhi International Airport. Hyderabad Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. 33. The first modern iron and steel industry started in the year in India is 1874. Kulti, the modern iron and steel industry. See another option. In 1942, Jayankya Nagar. In 1942, Jayankya Nagar, the first aluminium industry. 1854, Mumbai, the first cotton textile industry. 1870, Bale, the first paper industry, modern paper industry in our India. Next, India is a leading knowledge-based industrial country because young population, growing information technology, Indian governments. A and B, the right answer is there. A and B means young population and growing information technology. Silicon Valley of India. Bengaluru is called as a Silicon Valley of our India. 36. The states which affects from the cyclones in India. Which are the states affects from the cyclone? See, mainly the east coastal states like Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, Orissa and Tamil Nadu, they will affect. See, all the cyclones will start from the Bay of Bengal. Next, tropical cyclones occurs mainly in India during the October and November months. Mainly the highest cyclones will be occurs in October and November. The main reason for the earthquakes in India, how the earthquakes will took place in India means the plate movements, the inner surface plate movements of the earth, reason for the earthquakes. March 15 is important as World Consumer Day. Human Rights Day we are celebrating the December 10th, and Purna Swaraj in 1930, January 26th celebrated. The US President adapted 4 rights for consumers. Given 4 rights. John F. Kennedy, he given the 4 fundamental rights to the consumers. Next. The Commission shall dispose of any complaints where the complaint shall exceeding Rs 1 crore. See, where the claim shall exceed Rs 1 crore. 1 crore above means National Commission. Below 1 crore, State Commission. Up to 20 lakhs, District Commission. So, more than 1 crore, it is a National Commission. See, National Commission will be looked after by Supreme Court Judge, State Commission, High Court Judge, District Commission, District Judge. So, these are all one of the most expected questions from the Social Science textbook part 2. Dear students, it will be useful for your examination. Just listen before the exam also, you can 1 or 2 times you can listen completely. I hope it will be helpful to your examination. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you are like this video, please like and subscribe, and also share this video to your friends.